Your laptop is scorching hot to the touch, the fans are roaring like a tiny jet engine, and everything you're doing has suddenly turned into a slideshow, and you're wondering if you're about to fry your machine for good. Take a breath, because most overheating problems are genuinely fixable without buying a new laptop or handing it over to a repair shop. And I'm going to walk you through this properly, in the right order, since throwing every fix at it at once is exactly how people end up making things worse instead of better. The very first thing to do the moment you notice your laptop is hot and struggling, save your work and shut it down completely. Let it sit and cool for 15 to 20 minutes before touching it again. And while it's off, move it to a hard, flat surface like a proper desk or table, rather than a couch, bed, or your actual lap, since soft surfaces block the vents on the bottom and sides, and that alone can be the entire problem. If you've been in the habit of using your laptop on your lap or bed regularly, that's genuinely worth breaking, since it restricts airflow every single time and slowly cooks the internals over months of regular use. A laptop stand that lifts the back slightly can also make a noticeable difference, since it opens up better airflow underneath where most laptops pull cool air in from. Once you're back up and running on a proper hard surface, the next thing to check is what's actually generating all that heat in the first place, before you assume it's a hardware problem. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, and look at the Processes tab sorted by CPU usage, since it's entirely possible one specific app or a background process is pinning your processor at close to 100% and generating way more heat than normal daily use should. Close anything you don't actually need running, especially browser tabs and heavy applications you forgot were open. If you consistently see high CPU or GPU usage with nothing obvious running, it's actually worth considering that malware could be the cause, specifically cryptocurrency mining malware, which quietly runs your hardware at full tilt in the background even when nothing visible is open. So running a proper malware scan is a smart move if this keeps happening for no clear reason. While you're checking software, take a look at your power or performance mode settings too. If your laptop has a silent or quiet mode enabled, know that this setting typically caps how fast your fans are allowed to spin, specifically to reduce noise, which sounds nice, but actually means your components run hotter before the fans finally kick in to compensate. Switching to a balanced or performance power mode, especially while gaming or doing anything demanding, lets your cooling system actually respond properly, instead of holding back. Now for the physical cleaning side of things, since dust buildup is genuinely one of the most common causes of laptop overheating over time. Power the laptop down completely, unplug it, and remove the battery if your specific model allows that. Using a can of compressed air, blow out the vents, the fan housing, and anywhere you can see dust collecting, applying it in short, controlled bursts rather than one long, continuous blast, since sustained pressure can actually damage the delicate fan bearings inside. A soft, bristled brush or a vacuum on its lowest suction setting can also help loosen and clear out stubborn dust clumps sitting in the fan housing itself. If you've had your laptop for a couple of years and never cleaned it, doing this even just from the outside through the visible vents without opening the case at all can make a genuinely noticeable difference. If external cleaning through the vents doesn't fully solve it and you're comfortable going a bit further, opening up the laptop to clean the internal fans and heatsink directly, and in some cases even reapplying thermal paste on the processor, tends to be the deeper fix, especially for laptops more than a couple years old, where the original thermal paste has simply dried out and lost its effectiveness at transferring heat away from the chip. That said, this is a more involved job, so check your specific manufacturer's service instructions and your warranty terms first. And if you're not confident working around internal components, this is genuinely a reasonable point to hand things over to a professional rather than risk damaging something delicate. One important thing to flag here, if you notice the underside of your laptop bulging outward, the trackpad lifting or feeling uneven, or heat that's concentrated specifically near the battery area rather than near the exhaust vent, stop everything immediately. That's a sign of a potentially swollen battery, which is a genuine safety concern rather than a normal performance issue. So don't keep charging it, don't press on the case, and don't treat it like routine dust cleaning. Get it looked at by a professional right away instead. If you've worked through all of this, closing unnecessary background processes, switching out of silent mode, cleaning the vents thoroughly, elevating it off soft surfaces, and your laptop is still consistently overheating, it's a strong sign the cooling fan itself might genuinely be failing, spinning slower than it should or not responding properly anymore. And at that point, it's worth having a professional take a look rather than continuing to push a machine that's struggling to cool itself. If this helped you cool down your laptop and get things running smoothly again, drop a like. It really helps this channel out. And if you want more practical tech maintenance tips like this one, go ahead and subscribe because there's plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.